This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Nissan Altima. This car has an automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include a sunroof, a premium audio system, a multi-link rear suspension, alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: dual power seats, heater vents for rear-seated passengers, cruise control, a CD player, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, a split folding rear seat, and this vehicle has less than 66,000 miles. With an EPA estimated rating of 32 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency does not take a back seat. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.